You just gotta know how to use it. Work with it.
I know how to use it. Let me tell you. Okay, stop it. I mean, stop it. Okay, I've had enough. How do you get out of a sword fight other than die?
Say uncle.
Uncle?
Let her stab you.
No.
I've been.
That was close to my nose.
She can straighten it back out for you.
Thanks.
I'm just kidding.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. I love you.
I need a bigger stick, is what I need. I just like... I unarmed myself.